Hello YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. And if you want to see how I get these juicy moisturized twists, my video that I did showing that will be on my channel. And if you haven't already, subscribe and comment below. And now I'm about to show you how I wear my twists with some extensions to make it look like my real hair, because these are long, but I want them to look a little bit longer and a little bit more fuller. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
I do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
What you will need to achieve this look I'm about to show you is I forgot what this is called, a crochet needle, and Marley hair. Well, I chose Marley hair because this is the best, because it resembles natural hair the most. So I like to start off by just sectioning off my bottom section so I can get the rest of the hair out of my way, and I start working on that first twist. And what I do is I just take my hair and I make sure it's detangled, so when I twist it down it'll twist easily, just like natural hair. You want to make sure it's detangled. Then I get my hook and I stick it in the base of my twist. Just a reminder, when you're putting the hook in your hair, make sure to have the latch closed so it won't snatch any of your hair. Then I grab my hair and I open the latch and I put the hair in the latch and close the latch once again with a hook on. I forget what it is, but you know what I mean. And I close that and I pull it between the base of my hair, and then I get one part of the section and I pull it all the way through. I promise I'm going to zoom in and watch and show you what I'm doing, because I know you probably can't follow it by me just saying it. So that should come in later in the video. And I also put cream on my hair just so it can smell like my natural hair smells. So, you know, because you know how synthetic hair has that certain smell to it. And I reuse my hair because I only twist it down like that. So, I mean, yeah, I just use that just for smell purposes. And I twist it all the way down because I'm going to be putting it in a bun, and I want it to be as long as possible. And when I mean all the way down, I mean all the way down. I know it's way past my hair length, so yeah, I just do that just to give it a little extra length, because it wouldn't make sense to me to twist my hair the same length as it is. And this is where I think I'm going to give you a closer look. And so this is me putting the hook in the base of my hair and lashing it on to the hook and pulling it through. And as you can see, that little circle right there, you're going to pull one half of that out. Like, it's two pieces of the circle. Pull one half of the circle out and leave the other half in, so it'll be just like you splitting your hair in half. And once you get that situated, I just put some cream on it and twist it down. And I do this to all of the sections that I'm going to be working with. I just put it in and twist it down and make sure it's smelling good. And please make sure to detangle the hair. I cannot stress this enough. If it's not detangled, it will bundle up and like bulge up, and it will look very ugly. And we don't want that, because we want to have a cute protective style to wear for the week or two. So this is what my bottom row is looking like. I know it may look weird right now because my hair isn't as long as those twists are, and the twists are kind of thinner than my hair. But if you want to, you can add more hair to make it look thicker, or less hair. I just use less because when I wrap it in a bun, it wouldn't really matter anyway, and I don't want my bun too big. And so yeah, I basically do this all over my head. I put the hook to the base of my hair and I lash the hair onto the hook, and I pull one half through, and then I just twist it up. Oh yeah, and I add cream. I basically do the same thing over and over again across my head. I just try to put a twist a fake twist on every real twist of my hair, so it'll be thicker and longer and look natural. And once I get to the middle of my head, I like to put more twists in. I'll probably put 2 or 3 twists on each twist of my real hair. I do this just in case I want to put it into a high ponytail, or, well, no, not a ponytail. Either a high bun so that it will look thicker without all of the hair being focused on the perimeter of my head. Because if it's focused on the perimeter of your head, you'll be able to see it better. You'll be able to tell that it's fake, and I don't want that. I just want it to be a cute protective style that no one will know it's not my hair. It'll be just between me and whoever decides to watch this video. So yeah, that's why I mainly focus it on the middle and not the perimeter, because if you do it more on the perimeter of your head, it'll look fake, like I said before. So I like to focus it there instead. So this is my hair when I'm done putting all the twists in that I feel are necessary. And as you can see, you can put it into a little top knot bun. I really don't like it this way because I think it makes my hair look bigger. But I mean, if you like it, you know, do you. I like to have a little bang out even if I do have a bun. But this is how I style my twists. I usually take my twists and I pull them all to the back, and I focus the bun on the base of my neck, and I just twirl it around. And this is where having the long twists come in handy. So I really don't need a rubber band. I could use one if I wanted to, but I really don't need one. I can just wrap it around and it'll look just like my real hair. As you can see from the little side action I gave you, you can see the bun. It looks just like if I were natural and had that much hair. That's exactly how my hair would look. So yeah, I just like to do something natural for my protective styles. And I will keep this for about a week or a week and a half, depending on how lazy I am. And yeah, that's the finished look. Oh, I forgot. I'm going to do my edges in this one. And so yeah, I like to I like to flick my edges and have them looking all nice and pretty. And I think that just adds extra character to the style. So yeah, you don't have to do this step, but I prefer to do this. So this is my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you a protective style to wear. So if you don't mind, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later in my next video. Bye!